Number one, energy, not time. Everyone talks about time management, but energy is the real currency of productivity. Think about it. If you have 8 free hours but you're exhausted, you'll barely move the needle. On the other hand, with 2 focused, high energy hours, you can complete your biggest priorities. Start tracking when you naturally have the most energy. Maybe it's early mornings, late nights, or post workout, and build your day around your energy peaks, not the clock. Protect your sleep, eat clean, and avoid energy drainers like doom scrolling and decision fatigue. Number two, environment. Your space dictates your focus. If your desk is cluttered, your screen is filled with tabs, and your phone is pinging every 2 minutes, you're setting yourself up to fail. Even the smallest distractions, like a messy workspace or background noise, create attention residue that lingers and kills momentum. Your productive people don't rely on discipline. They build environments that reduce friction. Clear your space, use noise-canceling headphones, and set up cues like a specific playlist or lighting that signal focus mode. Number three, clarity of goals. You can't be productive if you don't know what you're aiming for. Too many people stay busy but not effective because they haven't defined their one primary goal. When you wake up, do you know the number one result that matters today? If you don't, you'll default to checking emails, replying to DMs, and avoiding deep work. Try this. Before every week, write down your top 3 goals. Before every day, pick your single most valuable task. Simplicity leads to momentum. Momentum leads to results. Number 4, task switching. Multitasking is a myth. What we call multitasking is really rapid task switching, and it kills focus more than people realize. Each time you bounce between tasks, emails, texts, projects, you leave behind a bit of mental residue. That's why you feel scattered and tired even after a busy day. The fix? Time blocking. Batch similar tasks, set a timer, and go all in. One thing at a time. Your brain will thank you. Number 5, internal beliefs. Your mindset controls your output more than any app or planner ever could. If you believe you're bad at focus or not a disciplined person, guess what? Your actions will follow. Self-sabotage often shows up as perfectionism, procrastination, or fear of failure, masked as needing more time. The most productive people carry beliefs that empower action, even when things aren't perfect. Swap. I have to be motivated with I take action regardless of how I feel. Watch how fast things change. Number 6, systems and habits. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about building systems that do the work for you. Think of your routine as a productivity autopilot. Do you plan your week every Sunday? Do you check your calendar every morning? Do you review wins and losses every Friday? These small rituals turn chaos into structure. If you're relying on memory or motivation every day, you're losing unnecessary energy. Build habits, automate decisions, and simplify your workflow. Success becomes automatic.